So you guys just did an assignment numbers 1 through 11 on a piece of paper, or maybe you did it in Canvas. And so right now we're just going to correct that worksheet so that you guys have the correct solutions. So remember, the commutative property is when the order switches. And associative property is when you group things differently. Okay, order is commutative. So 5x, then the 7, then the -7. So you can see that the 5x was first and now it's last. So we're switching the order. So this one is commutative. All right, number 2, it goes 10, 5, 1, 10, 5, 1. Okay, we're grouping these and then we're grouping these. So we're grouping different things. So this is the associative property. 3, 6, 5, 3, 6, 5. Order stayed the same. So this one is 3 and 6. This one's 6 and 5. So this one is also the associative. Number 2 is the associative by addition, and number 3 is the associative by multiplication. You just need to say associative. All right, 9 and 4, and this one's -4 and the 9. So we're switching the order, and commutative is order. All right, 6 and 2x, and then they have the 12. So where did the 12 come from? Well, 6 times 2, so this is the distributive. All right, 9 and 6, and this one is 6 and 9. So again, the order switched. So this is the commutative property. All right, simplify each expression. So we can only combine like terms. So if they have the same thing. So this has an x, and an x. So we're going to keep the x, and then we're going to add 3 plus 4 plus 5. So that's what? 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12x. Number 8 wants us to do the distributive property. So we are going to take 4 times -2. So we have a -8x. And then we take 4 times 7. So remember, you're multiplying. And we get 28. So we get -8x plus 28. All right, combining like terms, simplifying each expression. All right, this has a W and this has a W. So 20 minus 13 is 7, and then keep your W. All right, number 10 looks like it's going to be a couple of steps here. So it looks like I'm going to have to distribute first. So 5 times x, and 5 times 3 is 15, and then I still have a -7x. So we need to combine our like terms. So this has a 5x, and this has a 7x. So 5 minus 7 is a -2x. And then we need to keep our constant and keep our plus 15. All right, number 11, combining like terms. All right, this is an x to the third. That's only an x. That's only an x, and an x to the third. So this is a positive 7x to the third plus 10x to the third. So we're going to get 17x to the third. All right, then this is an x, and this is an x. So 8x minus 5x is a plus 3x. We cannot combine these because this has x to the third and this one only has x. All right, that should do it. Hope you guys did okay.